What is going on, YouTube? Tonight we are looking at a Worcester CDI Classic setting up the gas valve. So you've got your correct CO2s to the manufacturer's instructions, minimum and maximum rate. It's only a quick run through. You'll have to excuse my horrendous filming. What can I say? It's not even amateur. It's noob, novice. Like, hopefully I'll get better the more I do. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Don't forget, please like, subscribe. It is free and it'll help give me the push to make some more. Thank you very much. So this is a quick run through of the calibration setup, emission setup, CO setup, whatever you want to call it, combustion analysis on a Worcester CDI Classic. So we've got our analyzer turned on. We're going to put the boiler into service mode. Press and hold the chimney sweep button for 10 seconds. That's us on. We turn the central heating temperature dial higher. So using the central heating thermostat water temperature dial, turning that to the snowflake minimum is running the boiler in minimum mode, minimum service mode. Now on Worcester's, you flick down the panel, it will tell you here on the data badge what settings we want, minimum and maximum. So we want 9.1 and 9.7. So that's our minimum, 9.1, running perfect. To adjust that, on the Allen key there, you need a 4mm Allen key on the gas valve, not on the Allen key, on the gas valve there, 4mm Allen key, slight adjustments left or right, depending on what setting you want. So we'll crank this up now to maximum, and we need to be removing this cap with a flathead driver, like so. And we've got the maximum adjustment there. As you can see, anti-clockwise is adding and minus is reducing the CO. So we wanted 9.7 if you remember off the data badge. Just let that run for a few minutes until it stabilises. I'll be back with you. So we've now settled 9.9, so you want to be slightly less. Try and get within shot. Tweaking this down, only slight adjustments needed for it to alter. As you can see now, it's dropping, the air's rising up. We want that to be 9.7, that's CO2. Let it stabilise again. Might get slightly more. And there you go, 9.7. So that's set up minimum, maximum COs on this boiler. To exit service mode, just press the chimney sweep function and you're out. Remember to set the central heating thermostat to whatever it was on when you started. Thanks for watching.